Ceceni ya borithi ya Kiambu nikuo Boniface Makoha egwikinyitie mena wakiri wake Kamotho Njenga kwandikithia riboti na ruhonge rwa uthuthuria wa ciiko cia maramari DCI gutariria kiria giathire na mbere riria ahonokirie Dennis Itumbi muruti wa wira wa afisini ya munini wa President William Ruto thutha wa kumukora agwite thi mwena wa Kasarani ena nguraro.
I met a man who was totally naked and just there were passerbys like I saw there were 3 boda riders that were watching. They were trying to find out whom he was. Then I stopped by. I was just a few kilometers from home.
Na tukenda uthuthuria no twiria baranginyo ukinyanirio na ihenya otoria kwahoteka ni tondu agikorwo andu acio mekire giko kiu meguthi na mbere gukorwo mari guku thiini wa andu kuri no gwati munene muno kuri andu othe.
Mweri 23 mathaini ma thaa 5 cia utuku arauga akorire Itumbi ari na ruo rwa nguraro icio na agitua itua ria kumutwara thibitari.
First of all, he didn't know where he was, so I tried explaining to him this is Kasarani, and he asked where the nearest hospital, and I told him Uhainema. Then I rushed because my house was just near where we were. I rushed to my house to at least pick up some clothes.
Maya magithie na mbere wakiri wa Itumbi Kamotho Njenga niongereire ati Itumbi no rathie na mbere na kuigua wega thibitari-ini umwe mucii munene wa Nairobi ona gutuika aramukira urigiti wa aria mari hatikaini.
Thiini wa ICU intensive care unit ni tondu ni ahitukiire nguraro nyingi na kunyarirwo kunene.
O ni mahoete ruhonge rwa DCI mabe mahe Itumbi kahinda mbia hone niguo mamuhunge mahuri guku magikumithia igeria ria maabitha acio kumuhunga mahuri ari thibitari.
Nawe mwene ni augite tondu ni aramkimenya uria gwathire mahinda makinya na akorwo mwiri wake wi mwega we niwe ukaheana riboti auge gwathirio na nona.
Kwa ihinda riri mubira uri moko-ini ma maabitha DCI njera uma wa itharikira riu ria Itumbi na ni amanyitite Itumbi migwate amu matire maramenyeka. Ngiribotera Inooro TV njithagwo Njenga Wambui.